9 Quetzales studs getting loose, root cause of many problems. Do you know why? Any threaded fastener like bolts, nuts, and studs getting frequently loose is a serious problem. It needs frequent maintenance. If they are inside any unit, then there is no chance to tighten them and causes premature failures of units. To avoid these problems, watch this till end. Root cause: in any threaded fastener, if tightening load acts on a smaller area, that area gets worn out in short time. Due to this, tightening load becomes zero and it gets loosened easily. Tightening against last thread. Figure 1 shows stud getting tightened against last thread. In the last thread, depth of the thread goes on reducing. There is some clearance between thread of the stud and the threads in hole. Therefore, when we go on tightening the stud, clearance goes on reducing in the last thread, and at some point it is in direct contact. Then there cannot be any further rotation of the stud, therefore, there is only single point of contact. In this case, all tightening load is on that single point of contact, therefore during working, it gets worn out in short time and all the tightening load is lost. It can get loose very easily just by vibration. To overcome this problem, a distance piece can be added to avoid tightening against last thread. Care should be taken that thickness of distance piece should be just sufficient to prevent tightening against last thread, leaving margin of one thread only. If very thick distance piece is added, then number of threads and engagement will get reduced and stud will not have adequate support. Threaded hole drilled with a drill. Sometimes hole for the stud is drilled with a drill. This drill is having a taper end with included angle of 120 degrees is shown in figure 3. In such case, stud is having flat end and drilled hole is having taper is shown. It results in only line contact of the stud with the base. Since the area of contact is less, it gets worn out in short time and stud loses all tightening load. It gets loosened easily merely by vibration. To prevent this, hole for the stud should made using end mill. As the end surface of the end mill is flat, it provides a flat bottom surface. Now the stud gets tightened against a larger area and will not get loose. Thank you for watching this video. Watch the channel PS Auto Solutions to learn many secrets of automobile with Praveen Shinde. Thank you.